Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to set up and use aniyomi app. If you want to download and use aniyomi app and you don't know how to do that, in today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to do it. If it's your first time you coming across this channel, please like to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to go to your Play Store. If you're using your phone, you go to your Apple Store and search for aniyomi. And here you'll be able to download the app. Once you're done downloading the app, you go straight to the app and open up the app. So once the app is open, there is what you're going to be seeing. You're going to be seeing animation movies. So in order for you to do, all you need to do here now is to start watching whatsoever movie you want to. You can go to the movies, can go to TV shows, you can also go to my playlist. Any video you add to your playlist is going to be here. And you can go ahead and see search for any video, any animation video you want to watch as well. So that is on how to set up and use animation aniyomi app. If you found this video helpful, because I can't very end of this video, please do to subscribe to the channel. Let me in the comment section if you also find it difficult on this app. I won't hesitate to give you a feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.